Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2013 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, two-wheel drive. It's got 11-foot nap height service body with a 3,200-pound IMT crane. It's got one hydraulic outrigger on it. It's got a Miller air pack, which is a Welder air compressor generator combo. It's got all your leads, several sets of American Eagle toolboxes. Really nice truck, set up with everything you need. Let's walk around and take a look at it. This does slide forward. Sometimes I have people ask me, will it come off? It's not designed to come off, but it will come off. I feel like anything's possible if you want it to be. So I got a grinder and a torch. Outrigger. Down. Up. Punch down. Side to side. Extension out. Extension in. Winch up. Down. Outrigger back up. Fans a little pushed out right there. $643 hours on the machine. On the compressor, 355. this truck, you can give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what that means is we'll post this on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York, Wisconsin, Oklahoma, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it as soon as you send the money. But on average, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. I can't give you, obviously, a second-by-second update, but, you know, been doing this a long time. I can tell you, on average, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. If you're one of those guys, you got to know second by second, the exact moment somebody's going to roll up in here and load it up, and then the exact second they're going to roll up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to see the truck. Excuse me. Has to be certified funds, which is a cashier's check, cash, or wire transfer. We prefer wire transfer. I guess that's about it on this one. Again, this is a 13 F550 two-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke, 257,000 miles on it, 11-foot nap-hide body, 3,200-pound hydraulic crane, hydraulic outriggers, Miller air pack, several sets of drawers. Nice little truck. All the emissions are in place on this truck. No deletes, no tunes, nothing like that. So, all right, if you're interested, give me a call.